We've all been there, a sleepy little town that could easily be called Rumpelstiltsville. It's like walking onto an abandoned movie set. Tucked away in the craggy hills of Victoria's East Gippsland is a little town of just 12 residents, and you'd easily think this former gold mining and logging town, well past its prime, is just like any other tiny rural hamlet in a deep slumber. Walhalla, founded in the heady days of Australia's 19th century gold and timber boom, has rebuilt and reinvented itself as a dynamic tourism centre, playing heavily on its rich heritage of days gone by. Today is the celebration of 100 years of the Walhalla Railway. A dinky little narrow gauge line was the lifeline of this town for so many years. After falling into total disrepair, the town mustered themselves into action and rebuilt the line from scratch, faithfully following the original route and using as much of the original infrastructure as possible. The darling diesel engine you see here will soon be replaced by a genuine NA-class steam locomotive, just like the one that pulls the famous Puffing Billy. And when visitors arrive in Walhalla, they'll find a picture postcard perfect village waiting to embrace them. There are walking tours, museums, a fascinating old cemetery, and the iconic Star Hotel, faithfully rebuilt from the ground up into a modern boutique hotel. The town's other big attraction, the long tunnel extended gold mine, is where you can go hundreds of metres into the hillside to see a century-old gold mine, much as it was when it closed in 1911. And be sure to say hi to Fred the ghost. If you're coming by car, turn off the GPS, which doesn't work in the valleys, and follow an old-fashioned map which you can download from the website at visitwalhalla.com. Take your time, enjoy the drive. Walhalla will wait.